Now, I know that many of you are trying to level up your careers and get into a data engineering career, and you're trying to do data engineering study and learn all kinds of new techniques, and I know how hard it can be to get started. I mean, many of you guys are, running your own little show, and some of you are actually working already as data engineers, but you'd like to get a credential and some more skills. And a lot of you guys are just studying or trying to improve your own careers using all kinds of different ways of learning. And for you, a remote degree, or maybe you're not doing a remote degree, maybe you're on campus or whatever, you're trying to make that work. And of course, doing a degree can be very expensive. And so for data engineering, I would like to draw your attention to the £1,000 Sean MacKenzie Data Engineering Scholarship that is at Edinburgh Napier University. This is a £1,000 scholarship for a student that is already in the master's degree program for data engineering, or for somebody who is going to be just starting the program and is currently applying. For complete details and terms, make sure you check out the university's page for the scholarship, as it has all of the information that you need in order to make an application. And please make a note that I am not employed or currently sponsored by the university. So you might be asking, why data engineering in the first place? And I've gone into some of the reasons for this in a previous episode where I talked about my journey through the master's degree program at Edinburgh Napier University and how I had a really great experience doing my degree. And I thought that it would be useful to talk a little bit about why I would like to do a data engineering scholarship in the first place, but also why data engineering, since it is so new and there's lots of different things about that. You see, I've been a data guy for about 25 years, and I've built all kinds of applications and reporting systems and statistical systems and manufacturing plugins that do all kinds of crazy things. And I've built all kinds of different data systems over the years. And there's never really been a kind of role that has been put in place in order to capture all of the things that I've been doing all of this time. Over the years, there's been all kinds of titles like database administrators and data architects and data scientists more recently, data analysts and all kinds of things. And some of those roles still sort of apply, but for the particular work that I've been doing for a long time, they didn't. And so when I first looked at Napier University for doing a remote program, I was very interested in the data science program that I had seen, and I was not aware of the data engineering program. But when I found out about the sort of all of the topics and the things that were going to be taught in the data engineering program, I could easily see that these more closely aligned with the goals that I had, and so I went for that, and it was a great experience. Now, based on the work that I've done over the years, I could easily see why it's important for us to have a data engineering role moving forward. I'm talking more about a serious data engineering role that is truly about the engineering aspect of doing data. And you might ask, well, what does that include? Well, it includes all kinds of things like ethics and best practices and all those kinds of things that are kind of part of the engineering world, and we would like to be able to apply those in a similar manner with data. And I see this role being very different from a data science role, where in the field, what I see with data science is that data science is very wide, and data science teams are extremely varied and diverse, and there's many ways to approach different situations in data science. And it's kind of similar in data engineering, but with data engineering, the role is much more defined. And I think that that's very important. And also there are different aspects to data engineering that are sort of pervasive throughout modern organizations. And it's very important for us to capture those in one role. So if you're already doing the program at Ed Napier, make sure you get in there and apply for the scholarship. And also, if you're thinking about expanding your horizons and you've got a deep interest in data, make sure to apply for the program at Ed Napier. I highly recommend it, and make sure you apply for the scholarship because that can help you on your journey. And of course, this is also related to my channel here, Sean MacKenzie Data Engineering on YouTube. And it's been a really great experience, and I've met so many amazing people, and I think that this is a great connector between all of you and at least one place that is teaching data engineering in a university somewhere in the world. If you're new to this channel, make sure to check out all of my episodes, and also if you have any questions, make sure to put those in the comment section below. And of course, if you like the content here, make sure you hit that like button, and of course check out my Patreon, where I've got all kinds of more advanced topics and things like that, and also a Discord hangout where we can do meetings and things along those lines. And you might ask yourself the question, well, why give back? And I think that that's part of my own personal mission. I believe that we should always try to give back in the communities and in the learning environments that we've been a part of. And so that's one of the reasons why I've decided to do this scholarship. And all the best to all of you guys studying and learning new techniques about data engineering around the world. It has been really great getting to know you guys on this channel, and I hope that I've made some kind of difference in your career. And of course, many thanks to Ed Napier University, and of course the data engineering program there, for helping me to put this scholarship together. Now, for those who would like to apply for the scholarship or find out more information, please check the link on my website, or you can find it in the description below. And also, if you have any questions about the scholarship, please make sure to contact the university, as they can answer your questions there.